Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to silence text notifications on your iPhone or iPad. So first things first, what you want to do is actually go to the Settings application. Now we're in the settings, you want to come down to notifications here and tap into that. Now we're in the notifications section, you want to come down here until you find messages. You want to tap into that. Now what you can do here, now we're in the notifications for the messages, you can actually turn it off completely so you get no notifications. Or you can turn it back on and just take these sections off here so you don't get any alerts. So now we're in the messages section. What you want to come down to is this alert section here where you can see all the banners. And you can see banner style here, and it's currently set to temporary, and just underneath is the sounds. You want to select this as it's currently set to notes. Then you want to come up and select none, and this will silence the text notifications on the iPhone. So as we come back, as you can see on the sounds, it's vibrate only. So that is how to silence text notifications on your iPhone or iPad. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash a like, smash a subscribe, and thank you for watching.